So good day, ma'am. I am Prince C. Poloy. This video, I will be interviewing my co-student Gia Mayo Horayan on her allowance, how she saved, what his or her daily expenses, how she handle it, how much she saved, it is regularly or often, on our end, or how often she experienced shortage. So, where do you usually get your money or allowance?
Makuha dyan ako siya kang mama o papa.
So, about how much do you receive weekly or monthly?
Weekly is 1.5 dyan siya.
So, which expense takes most of your money?
Sa groceries, kay boarding house magud ko, sa schools, project, nana.
So, do you keep track of your spending and how?
Ginatrack yun na ako siya para gyud nga ako ding mabalaan kung asa ko ni nakuha na kong kwarta, nabutang, dito ba ni siya sa groceries or sa mga school projects.
So, let's say baka money regularly, why or why not?
Ga-save ko if ever na mabilin sa kong kwarta.
So, around how much do you usually save?
20 plus or like mo 100 siya na depende po sa akong magamit.
Okay, so, where do you keep your savings mostly? Where do you keep your savings?
Ginakip na ko siya sa bangko, may nana sa mga online bangko.
So, what habits do you want to improve?
Ako ang gina-improve gid is kanang dili gid ko mag-overspend sa mga butang nga dili bitaw siya necessary nga important.
So, last, what advice can you give other students about saving money?
Ako ma-advise ra gyud is i-take gyud ninyo yung kwarta wisely. Dapat gamito ninyo sa sakto and dapat di mo mamalit sa mga butang nga dili bitaw importante and magamit pud baya ang kwarta sa emergency kung maka-save jud kag tao.
So, based sa interview na ako, ang gihimo, ang student kids nagamit niya yung mostly allowance para sa foods, yung transportation, yung school needs, o yung boarding house, especially kay boarding house sa siya. And kabulo po siya mo prioritize sa importance sa expenses. Like, everything ginakuha niya transportation, pila yung nagasto niya anak, pila yung mga nagasto, pila yung mga nagasto, like mga, or natigong niya anak. And pero usahay makapalit gihapon og dili necessary nga butang nga maka-cause og kulang sa budget, like, especially bitong unwanted bitong nga mga project like that, school projects, school supplies. And also nag-shave siya usahay. Pero dili consistent kay especially but sometimes ni mabilin, sometimes dili. And overall, na siya basic budgeting skills. Pero kailangan pa niya ma-improve ang iyang consistent para saving, para makontribute sa necessary spending, like, di ka siya magpahit sa iyang needs kaysa iyang wants like that. Or dili po, iya po ito i-prioritize bito iyang needs kaysa sa iyang wants, kaya especially, karon dagko na ka itong mga products itong mga pinalit bitaw. So, for my reflection, saving money is not easy because nowadays, many products we purchase is expensive. But saving money can help us in our unexpected uses and future uses. We personally can save money on our excess allowance. Like 20 to 50 pesos is enough. Overall, this can help us in budgeting our money and choosing our spending wisely and carefully. So, in conclusion, saving money is important because it helps us in times when we experience shortage. And also, it helps us in our emergency uses and future uses also. But if we dig deeper in it, saving money, can help us to burden our understanding about it. It helps us to grow, think carefully, and enlighten us, and be a responsible spender.